Hey everyone, welcome back to USA Settler Diaries. Today, we talk about a major announcement from the US president that could affect immigrants from many countries, including Filipinos abroad. If you or your family are planning to migrate or have loved ones overseas, you'll want to hear this. Ngayong 2025, isang biglaang patalastas ang umarangkada sa Amerika at baka mabago nito ang mga plano ng maraming kababayan natin. Kaya samahan niyo ako o sisain natin ito ng mabuti. On November 28, 2025, President Donald Trump said the U.S. will permanently pause migration from all third world countries. The so-called pause would apply not only to new immigration applications, but also to cases approved under the previous administration. Trump also proposed ending all federal benefits and subsidies for non-citizens, denaturalizing some migrants, and deporting foreign nationals deemed a public charge, a security risk, or non-compatible with Western civilization. Sabi ni Trump, ipapasara muna ang immigration mula sa mga third world countries habang nagpapaayos daw ang sistema ng US. Pero hindi niya sinasabing ano ang ibig sabihin sa third world at sino-sino ang maaapektuhan, kaya maraming tanong. The term third world countries was not defined by the administration. We don't know which countries are included. Permanent pause does not have a clear legal definition under U.S. immigration law. It could mean indefinite suspension, but it might also be challenged in courts. Experts warn that such vagueness can be used to target broad migrant communities, potentially affecting refugees, legal immigrants, and people with pending visa or green card applications. Hindi malinaw kung sino ang matutukoy. Developing countries ba lang? Lahat ng non-Western countries ba? At ganun din ang sinasabing permanent pause. Maaaring temporary lang or pansamantalang paghinto lang, depende sa batas at mga korte. For many Filipinos living abroad or planning migration, this announcement could jeopardize family reunions, visa applications, or plans to immigrate. Cases already approved might be scrutinized or even reversed, depending on how net asset, public charge, or security risk are interpreted. This kind of policy creates fear, uncertainty, especially for migrant communities, refugees, and families relying on immigration pathways. Alam niyo yung pakiramdam na parang nailagay sa kwartong may bawal pumasok habang hindi sigurado kung kailan bubuksan ulit? Ganon ang dating ng announcement na ito para sa maraming kababayan natin, lalo na yung may pamilya sa labas ng US o planong umalis papuntang Amerika. Kung isa kang OFW o may kapamilya na nasa US o balak pumunta dyan, dapat bantayan niyo ito. Under U.S. law, presidents can suspend immigration entries, but indefinite or sweeping bans face legal challenges. Critics argue that such a policy, especially when third world country is undefined, risks collective punishment, racial or regional discrimination, and violates rights under refugee and asylum laws. International organizations, including agencies of the United Nations, have already urged the U.S. to honor its commitments under global refugee and human rights conventions. Hindi lang ito pang immigration policy. Ito rin ay may epekto sa dignidad, kalayaan at sa mga international na kasunduan na sinang-ayunan ng U.S. Madaming tanong, legal ba itong masyadong malawak ang saklaw? Makatarungan ba sa maraming families, refugees at immigrants? If you have pending visa, green card applications, monitor official communications from U.S. immigration agencies like USCIS. If you have family or friends abroad planning to migrate, be aware this pause could delay or complicate their plans. Consider seeking legal or immigration advice, especially if you fall under categories that might be reviewed: refugees, asylum seekers, immigrants from countries of concern. Stay updated because this policy is vague and much depends on how it will be implemented, challenged in court, or changed. Para sa ating mga kababayan, huwag mawala ng pag-asa, pero maging mapagmatiyag. Gamitin ang ating boses, alamin ang kabuuang epekto nito. Kumonsulta kung may pangamba at laging handa. Immigration is more than paperwork. It's about people, families, hopes, and dreams. Policies like this show how precarious those hopes can become. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe at i-share sa iba. Comment below your thoughts, paano kayo naapektuhan nito, ano ang plano niyo. Gusto ko mabasa ang opinions niyo. Hanggang sa susunod nating episode, bye! Ingat!